What are you doing?
Bear.
The bear? Who is the bear holding?
A baby.
The baby?
A baby.
A baby.
Tell me I haven't done my bit. Go on, tell me. I gather all the answers. I built the most code. Cheated a little on the lumber, but given the circumstances, couldn't we do without those efforts?
High five. Are you gonna give the bear a high five? High five. How about the baby high five? So cute. How about the bear gives the baby high five?
Go away. There's no one here. I'm a hologram.
Goose, have the baby give the bear high five. Get the baby's hand. Get the baby's hand to give the bear high five. There you go. Good job. Yeah.
A baby.
Ooh, I can see your diaper. Is she out of breath already?
Yeah, they both are. We've never had a backyard before.
Put your tongue inside.
So kick it, Mom.
Get it, Goose. Get the ball.
I'm gonna get Haley. I'm gonna get Haley. Oh, get her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Uh-oh.
Serious. Hey guys. Oh my goodness. What was that? What was that? So it's after work and we had dinner and now we are playing outside in the backyard.
We had dinner?
Well,
Did we have dinner?
I had dinner.
I didn't have dinner.
Haley had dinner.
I haven't ate. When do we have dinner? What do we have? What do we have for dinner?
I had a pad thai and Haley had spaghetti. You're gonna hit it over the fence.
No, I knew I would.
So anyways guys, me and Haley had dinner and now we're playing outside to run it off. Renee, huh? Haley is enjoying her backyard right now. So anyways, I just wanted to I guess touch bases on our move because it's like for those of you who have seen our vlogs, you guys, honey, I swear. Anyways, like I was saying, for those of you who have seen the vlogs, you guys recognize there she goes. You guys recognize where we are and you're like, that's not a new place, that's your brother's place. So we are living here temporarily while my job situation gets clear. They're relocating my job and so it's gonna be like way across SoCal. No, it's not that dramatic, but it is quite far further. And if you guys know anything about Southern California, it's the traffic. So we are trying. Our lease was up in the other place, and we did not want to renew for the year because we don't know when this move's happening, but it's going to be within this year. So we didn't want to get stuck with breaking the lease fees. So we are just staying here temporarily until we figure out what's happening with the location of my job, and then we'll move. So once we do that, then there'll be another move. So literally right now we don't even have everything, huh? Like everything is packed. Like we only have necessities for a little bit because it's not our house. So we are literally living in a room. Well, not really, we kind of overtook his house. He's pretty much living in a room in our place. You throw it. Oh. Hey. Did it hit you?
Yeah.
Where did it hit you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again, Haley, because the wind keeps blowing the bubbles, not me. Whoa. Get that bubble! Whoa! Hold on. Hold on, let's see. Whoa. There it goes. Whoa, these bubbles are crazy. Look at- Whoa! Whoa! Whoa. These bubbles.
Haley.
Whoa.